I found the most amazingly effective way to feel calm and chilled in a matter of minutes during a high stress or anxious moment. What if you're feeling overwhelmed and there is a simple way you could reset your mind and body in just a few minutes? I think box breathing is a great option. It's a simple tool for calm and clarity. Box breathing is a rhythmic breathing pattern already used by all varieties of people when they need to be composed and focused. And the idea is so simple. You breathe in, you hold your breath, breathe out, and you hold again, each for the same short duration count. Here's how you do it. Inhale fairly quickly through your nose for 4 seconds. You'll need a full breath into your belly. Then hold your breath for 4 seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. And then hold again for 4 seconds. Then repeat the whole cycle for about 5 minutes, which will feel like quite a long time, but it's a good amount of time to effectively bring down your whole anxiety or stress level. I find that the inhale phase should be a big breath right into your tummy, like I said, even if you usually breathe into your chest, so you'll have plenty of oxygen for the whole cycle. That'll be extra important while you're getting used to the routine. If you don't take in enough breath in the inhale phase, you may struggle to continue comfortably through each cycle. It's important to feel comfortable and not short of breath. Now let's try one round together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. And then you'd go again. So why does it work? Apparently, box breathing engages your parasympathetic nervous system, which is part of your body that tells you it's safe to relax. Your heart rate slows, your blood pressure steadies, and your mind becomes calmer and more focused. It's like hitting a reset button for your nervous system. Here's some research showing that controlled breathing reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases oxygen delivery to the brain, improving concentration and emotional balance. You can use it anytime, before a big presentation, during a stressful commute, or to wind down before sleep. My favourite place to do it is in the car on the way somewhere. It can be incredibly calming, and being calming in the hustle bustle of the traffic is a really great idea. There is no place for agitation on the road. I do it in 5-minute blocks, and the calming effect over that time is huge. I have a little sticker on my dashboard to remind me to do it, and it works a treat. So next time life feels overwhelming, remember, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, 4 seconds each. A calmer, clearer experience is just a breath away. Well, I got to go see a man about a dog, so thank you for watching. If you found this information interesting, then please consider booping the like button or subscribing to the channel. And have a beaut day. I'll see you in the next video.